Hi everyone, this is Senior ARTHUR-DEMOOR. I'm going to show you quickly how to add a screenshot to your OneNote for your KIA quizzes. If you want to just follow me, I'm going to go all the way, I'm going to open up a web page here, and I have a couple of tabs already open just for quickness of this. I've opened up to my Office 365 account. You can get that through the Doherty's website underneath Student Resources. I've logged in, and then I've asked you guys, everyone, to pin their notebook to their pin section of their documents. So you have recent here, and then you have pinned. And you're going to just click on your notebook. I'm just going to pick on one of the notebooks here. Okay. And as that loads, give me just a second here. All right. You'll notice that everybody's class, I have access to everybody's class notebook, and that's how I'm able to check and grade your assignments. So I'm just going to click on one of the students here, and then underneath it you're going to see a variety of sections. You're going to click on quizzes. You're going to click on the 1A quiz, and then you'll see the information there. You'll click on that quiz. Here's the site that it brings you to. You log in, you take the quiz, you get a score at the end. When you're done, you're going to go back to the OneNote, and you want to make sure you're still underneath your personal notebook. If you're not, it won't allow you to modify it. So here's a good example. In the content library, remember the content library is like the master copies for everything that I give you for quizzes and assessments. There's that same quiz. Okay. If you try to copy and paste in here, it won't allow you to do it. So you do need to make sure that you're not in the content library, but you're underneath your own personal notebook, and you can click on quizzes again. Make sure you click on 1A quiz, and then at the very bottom, it says play screenshot here. And again, I can't show you how to do a screenshot, just because depending on the type of laptop, computer you have, Mac, PC, they can vary, as I've asked you to Google it. In this case, I'm going to Control V because I have a PC that I'm working from. If you're Mac, I think it's Command V or something like that as well, but don't quote me on that. And you'll notice that I have a screenshot right here of all the showing that I got 100% on it. And that's all you need to do. So just remember, when you're going to do a screenshot, A, Google it if you don't know how to do one, but B, make sure it's underneath your personal notebook. If you're underneath the content library, it will not allow you to modify it, but you need to be under your personal notebook, under quizzes, 1A1 quiz in this case, and then copy paste below. If you're having issues, you're not able to figure out how to do a screenshot, that's okay. Just, you don't need necessarily send me an email, but just as long as you know that you took it and that you do have a copy of it somewhere, and that's on your computer at home or on your phone, just in case there's any issues, that would be helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.